module, Module 3, is an overview of career and student life for the students at SWIC. Hopefully in this one they will learn about some of the services offered and some of the events and opportunities that they have to be involved in the school as well as their own career desires. So this is a couple of different things. They have, again, the checklist. The first thing they're going to have is similar to what they did or what they learned about in Module 2, in that they will not need to submit something right away. This will be due at the end of the semester for a completion grade, and it is the arts and athletics attendance. So their goal in this one is to take a look at some of the options that are available, things that are going on, SWIC Arts, some of the athletics that are being presented, some of the games, some of the clubs, that kind of thing. And they are to attend at least one of these and then submit the name of the event, the time, and that brief description of its benefit. So again, it is a very simple requirement and can be done at any point in time during the semester, and the goal is to get them to experience some of the resources and opportunities that they have at SWIC. The next is a very quick Blue Storm radio quiz so that they are aware of the station and can participate in it. You don't have to be enrolled into a class, so hopefully they will be able to engage in the station in whatever way they see fit, and the quiz is very, very short, so it shouldn't take them too long. The major assignment here and the final assignment in this module is the career pathway paper. So the goal of this paper being that they are to understand what possible career they could go into and some of the factors that go along with it. So you're going to the students are going to visit SWIC's Career Services webpage, where they will find a lot of wonderful information that will be of value to them for understanding the idea of what services and tools are offered by the career services. And then they will participate in what is called career cruising. And that is an assessment that helps them to see sort of what careers somewhat fit their personalities, fit their desires, their needs and wants. So the instructions are listed here. It takes them directly to where they need to go. And I will go ahead and put that in. And as it pops up, you'll see they can put in the SWIC name and then the password careers. They'll sign in, and then there will be a lot of different tools that they can use as they scroll through. They can explore their own interests. They can log in to view their plan. They can take an assessment, which is what they will end up doing. They'll be doing a matchmaker assessment. So all the instructions as to how they're going to go through that process should be available here. And then they can save a copy of their results to their computer, and this is an example of what that might look like, and spend some time exploring those careers to write a basic paper. So a couple of things that you'll see linked here: the instructions as to how to use the career cruising assessment, the career cruising results sample. So this would be something that I printed out or saved to my desktop, and it has all these different aspects of what I could do as according to my matchmaker assignment. So apparently my number one thing is an acting instructor. I guess that works for somebody who's doing public speaking. And then we have a couple of other things that might be valuable, and the Career Pathways writing assignment is one of those. So the paper has the guidelines listed out here. So this is the Career Pathways paper, and it is linked to a future assignment. So if you do want to make changes to how the written assignment works here, please keep in mind that it is connected in other ways to another assignment later on down the line. So it's just a 5-paragraph essay, very simple, shouldn't be too overwhelming. It should have an introduction, 3-paragraph body, so 1 paragraph for each career pathway, and then a conclusion. So remember, these are students that are testing into 101, English 101. They're 101 ready. So this may not be their first run at a paper, but they also may not have what skills they will receive once they go through our English classes. So kind of keep that in mind as you are going along the guidelines. Their desire, their need is to review the job description for 3 different careers, and they'll pick those careers based on the results of their career cruising assessment. And they're going to identify what benefits and drawbacks they see in having a career like this. And again, there's 3 of them, 1 paragraph for each one. And they're going to also review the education and training section description for the career. And that will kind of give them an overall idea about what classes they could take in the future semesters. And that's actually going to be a part of an assignment they'll do next module. And then they'll discuss some of the related college programs that are available at four-year universities for that particular career, which is all available on the web page I showed you earlier, the Career Cruising web page. The structure of the essay is laid out here, just the basics, real simple. You can make adjustments to this as needed. It is just part of the option. It is, again, linked to another assignment later on, so hopefully this is something that you can use and it won't be too difficult to make any small changes that you might want to create. And that is Module 3, so hopefully that works well for you, and if you have questions or concerns, please let me know.